I cannot make this up. Like, this is beautiful.
Peace and love, I wish you peace and love.
Hey guys, good morning. It is like 5 going on 6 in the morning, and I am all ready to go hiking. I got my hiking boots here and got my hiking sticks that we actually made from Dollar Tree brooms. So hopefully they hold up. But yeah, so we are leaving Las Vegas and headed to Zion National Park in Utah. So come along with us on this road trip. It's about 2.5 hours. And y'all, we made it to Zion National Park. How you feel, sis?
I'm good. Ready to get out the car.
But we are here, guys. It's so beautiful. Okay, y'all, we are out here at Zion National Park. It's like 80 degrees. It's like 80 degrees, but you know, she wanted to dress the part all the way. You hot, ain't it?
No, I'm actually not.
But y'all, get into this view. It is so beautiful out here. Wish y'all could be here. Sorry you can't. Woo. This is nice. I cannot make this up. Like, this is beautiful. God's earth. God's beautiful earth. I will always love you how I do. It makes me just want to sing being out here.
So I brought my headphones.
Zion, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Zion, 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 beautiful, beautiful. Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me.
I feel like I'm
Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. You feel like you're with SpongeBob?
Yes.
Are you Squidward?
No, well, maybe.
I'm not obnoxious, y'all.
Sure.
Krusty Krab, pizza. Wow, sis, look at this. See, you almost missed this being a Squidward.
Almost didn't hear it.
This is beautiful. Okay, so right now we have about a mile hike on land, and it's for about, like I said, a mile, mile and a half, and then the land disappears and there's no more land, and we'll just be hiking through water. How cool. That is so cool, right? Comment below if you wish you were here, like for real. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but look how blue the sky is. Just so beautiful. Stunning. So if the camera can show vibrancy, imagine how vibrant it really is in person, like for real. But y'all, I'm out of breath right now because we've done so much hiking before the actual hike. So we hiked to the shuttle. We're hiking to the hike. But you know what? We're in shape, so it's all good.
One eternity later.
Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. We have made it. This is so cool. Hey, no turning back now, guys. We are in there, getting deeper and deeper. Soon we will be waist deep. Right now we're about knee deep, and it's only gonna get deeper. This is exciting, and this is not an easy hike. Guys, oh my gosh, that water got so deep. I don't know. This is a workout. It's so much fun though, but oh my god. So we are like halfway through the hike now. We're about to have lunch and just enjoy the scenery. This really reminds me of my Grand Canyon vlog. If you haven't watched that, I will link it up there. But yeah, we're just about to have some snacks, have some sandwiches, take a bite, and then we'll get back to it. I don't even know if you can see us. Like, it's so dark. I just realized it's dark. But whew, I'm putting on my gloves. I'm glad I got these gloves, and I'm glad I got this jacket, because it is a little cold. So cold. Oh shoot, that's better. So y'all, it's super cold. I have put on gloves now. We have on our jackets, and yeah, we're walking upstream a freaking cold ass river. I'm on backpack duty, y'all. Ooh, it is cold. Okay, back to it. Back to it. Won't he do it? Hold on, y'all. Look at this view. Before I shut the camera off, look at this view. Just get into it. Hey y'all, so this is a symptom of scleroderma that I talk about. If you have not seen my scleroderma video, you can go watch that. So this is Raynaud's syndrome. My fingers are discoloring. They're extremely cold. I can feel my feet doing the same, but the parts that are white, there's no blood flowing to them, and they are extremely numb. So if you haven't watched my scleroderma video, please go watch it, become aware. Yeah, just go watch it. Hey guys, I'm hopping in here because I did put away my camera at this point per obvious reasons. Look at my fingers. We ended up heading back, and I fell into the water, y'all. You'll see the exact moment I fell right here.
Kayla! 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 You okay?
Oh my gosh.
Did it get in your mouth?
It got in my camera. Fuck. Just fell in. My camera, everything fell into the water. I'm so pissed. But we're on our way back. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, click below to subscribe right now. And bye before I fall again.